In this video, I'll show you how you can install Google Meet on your laptop or PC, so you don't have to come back to a web browser every time you want to use it. So don't skip and leave a like if this video helps you out. So what you need to do is open up a web browser. Right now I'm on Google Chrome, so you can follow along on Chrome too. Then once you're logged in to your Google account and you're on any Google product, you'll see Google Apps in the top right hand corner. Go ahead and click on that, again making sure you're logged in. You can then scroll down and find Meet and click on that. Once you're in Google Meet, it should look something like this, provided you're logged in. Now, on any web browser, you'll see the install button in the top right hand corner. You can go ahead and click on that. Alternatively, if you go to the three dots and then go to more tools, you may see install here, or on Chrome, it will be cast, save and share. And you can then click install Google Meet and then install. Here on the desktop, you can see we've got the shortcut app, and every time you open that, it will go straight to Google Meet.